the family members always joke, actually, that they will always win arguments with us. You might be a mufti outside, but at home you are not a mufti. That is what they say. But muhabbat ki bazi ye bazi hai akhtar, muhabbat ki bazi ye bazi hai akhtar, ke har jaane ko ji chahta hai. You know, the Urdu poet, our Shaykh Hazrat Maulana Hakim Muhammad Akhtar Sahib Rahmatullah Alayhi, he says that path of love is that path that you don't mind losing also in the path of love. So it's not about winning arguments, and it should never be about winning arguments, especially in masail that are mukhtalaf fi. There is mujtahad fi masail. It should always be about just conveying your opinion. You don't have to ensure that people also practice upon what you say. That is not our job. We only have to convey what is وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغِ. So that is what we should be striving to do. And look, with family, there should always be light-hearted moments. There should be always laugh and banter, happiness and joking. I know the great mashayikh of the Ummah, our Ustad Mufti Taqi Usmani, he can be as busy as he is Shaykhul Islam, but he has a time in the day that he dedicates to family. And that is what I want to appeal to the Ummah, the men and women out there. There should be a time of the day that we dedicate to our family, the closest amongst us, just for sit and have a cup of tea together, light-hearted talk. There should always be softness. We must jealously guard this fabric of society that we have. Be careful about how we speak. Try and say the right things in the right manner, on the right occasion, with the right intention. You will definitely see the right results. But be cool and calm with family members. It's always the better thing to do. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was exactly like that, and he taught us how to engage with family. Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha says, "Kunna nukallimuhu wa yukallimuna. Kana rajulun min al-rijal." Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a man from amongst the men. He would speak to us, we would speak to him. But of course, when it came to fulfilling his duties as a Nabi, then and to go for salah, etc., then it was as though he did not know us. He went for his salah. But he was never harsh. He was never hard-hearted. He was always soft. He was always kind. He was always loving. فَبِمَا رَحْمَةٍ مِّنَ اللَّهِ لِنْتَ لَهُمْ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us and keep this ummah united, inshaAllah.